So this right here is a JDM grill.
What's the difference?
Difference is right here you got these like empty spaces, these kind of square spaces, which is definitely a USDM thing. They say that since there's less stuff here, you get more airflow.
That's true. Chances of snow getting stuck is less. That's what my brother said.
But I definitely prefer this look right here.
Yeah, look wise, that gloss look and mint. I mean, to the untrained eye, they look the same, but I mean, side by side, you can tell. So how do you uninstall it? How do you?
Looks like there's some screws right here you can take out.
Oh yeah.
Supplemented with some clips.
That's it.
Should be an easy install.
There you go. Let's
make it happen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It sucks that you can't remove this with the bumper on.
Yeah.
Save you a lot of time, but only like 8 bolts. Not a big deal. We're actually gonna do the emblem too. Bezel. Bolts 8 screws out, push it out. Should just get held at clips.
Yeah. I mean, performance wise, it's pretty nice, but you know, it's not every day you see a JDM grill, and kind of want to. This guy has a Z100, not Z100, 300, ZX. It's all about performance.
All about that performance. Right now. Yeah. Woo! You missed it. No, I had it recorded. Push it harder, man. Come on. It has to be even though. There you go. Hold it. Push it in, dude. Snap it in those clips. Dude, this grill is looking proper. So we're just snapping the grill. You can see the new emblem and front lip we installed, but just ignore that. Today it's all about the JDM grill.
It's all done. Snapped in. Rigid, sturdy.
Look at that. Ooh, it has more triangles for more rigidity. You're gonna have better cornering. Eight screws, screw them back on. You know what this is for? You know what those are for, Nicholas?
Are those little circle things?
Or what?
I don't know. Little shine down in front of you or something?
No, it's a tow hook, bro. That's where you put the tow hook.
No way.
Now you know. Wrapping things up. We have the glorious JDM grill with the front lip by Base and R. It's the STI front lip. Oh, you did a good job. Good stuff.